So here am I back at Hoxton, and beneath me is one of the green roofs on the viaduct running up from Shoreditch to Kingsland, and it's covered this year in red valerian. So in front of me, the viaduct continues, and just on this patch we've got some wild carrot, birds from trefoil, bed straw. Right in the distance there's a lot of Eckie and vulgari, and obviously a lot of oxeye daisies. And down there is the Mexican Hillside in Hoxton. There's a longer video about the Mexican Plateau in Hoxton that I filmed last year. There was some kidney vetch on the roof last year, but this has been so wet, it's absolutely taken over the kidney vetch. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's been a lot of small blues maybe visiting this roof. I've seen them on green roofs before. Now, you might just see a hole there in this failsafe, and I've just seen a woolcarder bee fly into that hole. That's quite interesting, a woolcarder bee going into the fall angel hole. I actually have sat here for 20 minutes and it's not gone back in. But there's been a few flying about. Woolcarder bee, Mexican Plateau in Hoxton. Shows you, delivered for biodiversity, even in a bit of metal. You can check out the main video, it's about 7 minutes long, on my YouTube channel.